Alright, hey folks, today we're talking about the Civic Type R, and let's see, we want to go over here. So let's go outside here where it's a little bit more lit up. So here is the horn that comes out of the Civic Type R. It's a little Tweety Bird horn, and I couldn't deal with it, you know. And here's what I put in here. These are AC Delco. And they put these in the Chevelles and Camaros and other cars of the 60s and 70s, made in the USA. And so we're going to hear what the difference is. Alright, to do a compare, we're